Okay, example 2, we're going to find the volume of a triangular prism. So that's our triangular prism, and as I mentioned, always identify the height first. So the height in this case will be this segment here, because the height is between the two parallel bases and it's perpendicular to each base. So now we will use the same formula. Volume equals base times height. The height we said was 12 yards. The base, it's the area of a triangle. So you have to identify what the base is. The base again is a triangle. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So here we have the 1/2. Here's the height, here's the base. So the height is the same as this, 15 yards times the base, 9. So the base is 67.5 yards squared. Now we will substitute all the information that we gathered from the height and the base into our formula. So 67.5 yards squared. The height is 12 yards. This will give us a total of 810 yards cube. Again, volume, cubic measure. Okay. The next example we're going to do is the cylinder. The cylinder. Again, draw your two flat circles. This bottom circle, the bottom piece in the back can be broken, so it'll give you more of a three-dimensional effect. Alright, this time we have circles. Hold on, guys. Like always, stick around.
Now I do website URL and I control B in here. Okay? And then I submit the assignment.
So again, let's identify what is the height. The height is, again, the segment in between the two bases. The two bases are the two circles here. So therefore, this is our height. We will continue to find the base. So the base is the circle, area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r squared. R is the radius of the circle. So it's just this, it's this piece, it's half this diameter. So the radius is half of the diameter. The diameter is 12. So half of 12 is 6. So now we have pi, substitute 6 for r and square it. So now we have 36 pi. Oh, what was the height? The height, we should have written that first, is 9 feet. This is now 36 pi feet squared. And now we could find the volume of a cylinder. It's the same formula. So we have 36 pi feet squared times 9 feet. Our final answer will be 1,130.97 feet cubed. So that is how to find the volume of a cylinder. So to review what we just did today, we found the volume of a prism, we found the volume of a triangular prism, and we found the volume of a cylinder. In all three examples, the key was to identify the height first. So here's the height of the rectangular prism, the height of the triangular prism, and the height of the cylinder. Again, notice each height is between the two parallel bases. Okay? And it's also between, it's also perpendicular to the two bases.
Hello.